Welcome to the project Gesture and Wireless Integrated Technology for Smart Living. And here we got the transmitter part and this is the receiver part. In the transmitter part you will have a MEMS accelerometer sensor, a few push buttons and a RF transmitter to transmit the data. And other side we will have RF receiver and the relay units to automatically switch on or off according to the input given from the transmitter section. Now let's see the demo. And as here we are using the system for toggle operation. So the first input will make your relay on. The second input again will make your relay off. And here you got 8 relays. So 8 operations, 3 from the push buttons and 5 operations from the MEMS accelerometer sensor present over here is seen here, and the status of the relays can be seen on the LCD display. So now let's see the operation. Just switch on the transmitter kit. You can see the project title and then switch on the receiver kit. Now you can give a forward tilt to make the relay on. So now you can see the relay 5 is on. In a similar fashion, as this is toggle, whenever you give the other input, it will become off. Similarly the other, relay 2 on and relay 2 off. Relay 3 on, relay 3 off. Relay 4 on and relay 4 off. Relay 1 on and relay 1 off. And similarly, apart from this, we have push buttons over here. Relay 7 on, relay 7 off. Relay 6 on, relay 6 off. Relay 8 on and relay 8 off. And here the input should be given after this LED is off. Okay, this is how your system makes use of RF technology, and it takes the inputs and it will transmit the relevant data, and where the relay circuits are being controlled on the receiver part. So thank you for watching the video.